Actually, there's nothing wrong with you if you make mistakes. Why? Simply because we are, as human beings, we make mistakes. That's normal. And we learn from these mistakes. So, nothing very serious. That's fine. It's okay. But you should be able to avoid making the same mistake again and again and again. You should be able to learn from those mistakes that you make. So it's fine to make mistakes, but if you keep making the same mistakes over and over and over, that means there is something wrong somehow. So don't be panic if you make mistakes.